Hey folks, Mark here. Just wanted to share with you another quick tip on Photoshop. And today's tip is about figuring out your light and your dark points on your photographs and adjusting them in Camera Raw so that you have a nice even balance of lighting across your photograph. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up a shot here in Adobe Camera Raw and give it a peek. This is a picture up at one of the lakes nearby, and as you can see, there's some dark areas here and some light areas here. What I want to do is I want to make sure that my lights are not overblown and my darks are not clipped, as they call it, or too dark. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over in Camera Raw, and I have a section here called whites and I have a section here called blacks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the white and the black point of the image and do it in a unique way. I'm going to hover over the slider control here, and I'm going to press the Option key on my keyboard, and then I'm going to click the slider, and you can see there that there are several little specks of white. That indicates that those particular portions of the image are blown out. So I'm going to drag my slider to the left until those points just about disappear. And with some photos, you can get them to disappear completely. Others, if you've overexposed your photo, you're not going to be able to get it. So with this photo, that one speck there is obviously overexposed, but the other guys I can get rid of. And you go just to the point where they disappear, and then you release your key, and it tells you that those points have had the adjustment made to bring the white point down to where there's nothing clipped or blown out. Next point, go to the black, hover over the slider control, press your Option button, click, and your screen will turn white. When you have blacks that are clipped or over saturated, you'll see that those colors turn black on your image. So what you want to do is you want to raise your slider to the right until those points just disappear. And we got a couple down there at the bottom. Let's see if we can get rid of those two. And there we go. I'm going to release my option, release my slider, and this tells me that the photograph is now properly saturated with luminosity. Otherwise, my whites and blacks are not clipped. So there's your 2-minute tip for setting up your whites and your blacks. As you can see here, there was some adjustment that was needed, and use this tip to make quick adjustments before you begin processing your photograph. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thanks much.